Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can remove text box in Google Docs. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Open your Google Docs. So I have prepared this one for you from here. And this is our text box. So how can we remove the text box? Obviously, we just have to simply select it. Now once you select it, you will find these three dots. Click on that. And you'll find this one from here, border width. Click on that and click on the. So you have a lot of options from here. You can go with 1 point. You can go with 1.5. You can go with 6 points. But in order to remove the text box in Google Docs, click on this drop down for border width and choose 0 point. And that's it. As easy as that. So I hope this short video tutorial helped you, and kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.